In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert numbers into percentages in Microsoft Excel correctly. Converting numbers into percentages in Excel is an essential skill that helps you present data clearly, whether you're working with sales figures, grades, or statistical data. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to display numbers as percentages quickly and accurately. To begin, open your Excel workbook and select the cells containing the numbers you want to convert into percentages. For example, if you have a column of decimal numbers like 0.75, 0.5, or 0.25, Excel can automatically transform them into percentages. Once the cells are selected, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the Number group, you'll find a Percent Style button. Click on it, and Excel will instantly format your selected numbers as percentages. For instance, 0.75 will now display as 75%, 0.5 as 50%, and so on. This method ensures that the decimal values are correctly interpreted as percentages without any additional calculations. If your numbers are whole numbers that represent percentages, like 75, 50, or 25, you need to divide them by 100 first before applying the percent style. To do this, create a new column next to your numbers, type equals, and select the first number divided by 100, then press Enter. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the numbers. Now, when you apply the percent style button, Excel will display them correctly as 75%, 50%, and 25%. Another way to format percentages is by using the Format Cells dialog. Select your numbers, right-click, and choose Format Cells. In the Number tab, select Percentage and specify the number of decimal places you want. Click OK, and your numbers will be displayed as percentages with the desired precision. Using these techniques ensures that your data is accurate, readable, and ready for reports, presentations, or analysis. Correctly formatting percentages in Excel makes it easier to interpret trends and comparisons, saving time and reducing errors in calculations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.